the vendor of the software. And there are points where our customers are universities, and they want to play, and that's what they want to do, research. And we agree that there are some security issues with the stuff we are selling, and it should be solved. However, we are not interested in security until we have real customers. So yes, we don't have customers yet, but once we start having them, they will already have some solution systems in place, so when we start changing the code, they will have problems to change new code. And yeah, my time is up. I would have, yeah. No, I think I skipped that one. I got a small video about how to create loop in the network, so it really works, but yeah, it's about extra 10 minutes or so. But if you got any questions meantime?
It all depends on the questions. We got usually 15 minutes, so if you want to see the video, we can just use 10 of them or something. It's your call. Yes? No? Question? Where? Okay. Are there any questions? Otherwise, we go for the video. Good call. So, hands up. Anyone? No one? Strange. Okay, go for the video then.
So, what you're going to see is there is a small network of 3 nodes, and we create a loop in those 3 nodes. Then there is just sniffer that is listening to the network, and there is one, and we use it to inject messages, a few messages to the network. And there is one control sniffer that is basically Stargate with our code. Yep. So let's connect to the Stargate first. Basically just demonstrates how sort of easy it is. What server is the sniffer on the Stargate, which will only show you that there's really a lot of traffic after a while. So this is the device for the USB programmer that we'll use as a sniffer and basically to inject a couple of messages. The tool we are using to inject messages is basically extension of Scapy. So we just added functionality that allows Scapy to communicate via serial interface. So now we try whether it works. So we try to sniff from the device on which the USB programmer is connected to. And it works. And small piece of Python code. So now you can see that how the messages are sent. This is in hundreds of seconds, so if you forget the last 2 digits, you will get seconds in time. So you can see basically the frequency of messages in the moment. And what we are going to do is to create 3 messages, M1, M2, M3, and we are just telling the modes that your parent is that one, and we'll create by that way the loop in the network. So we say number 2, your parent is 3, 3, your parent is 4, and 4, your parent is 2. And in theory, they should start sending messages in between themselves. So let's send all 3 messages to the modes. And you got it twice. That's it. This is basically sort of routing table or structure of the network. The higher the number, the better quality of link. Okay. Okay, message is sent. And now every dot here is one message transmitted by the modes. So there are not many there. It should be like every 3 seconds or so one. And now we are waiting only for the modes to update their routing tables after we've injected the new information for the routing tables. And here we go. So you can see every dot is one message. So it's like 40 messages per line. And within a second, you get like several hundred messages sent by the modes. And they will basically keep sending the messages for several minutes at least until it's broken by network management messages they have to send. So yeah, that's how to create loop and how to do power deprivation attack. So is there any questions now? No. Well, good for me. Bad for you. Thank you.